Good morning, respected teachers, elders, and all my dear friends. On this day, I would like to dedicate this speech to all the teachers of our life who give us immense knowledge and skill to succeed in the future. As we all know, in our culture, teachers are considered above the God, which is greater than anything. Teachers are the shaping tools of our society, as they shape each and every stone of this pyramid we see as a community. Each and every person in this world has come across teachers in various forms. That teacher can be a proper school, or a college teacher, or the very first teacher anyone can get. That is their mothers. For example, the science teachers teaching us how a rainbow is formed, how the lightning occurs, and all such things, whereas mathematics teachers explaining us everything, making sure we calculate to make our lives easier, as well as language teachers. They help us communicate better with better words and better grammar so that we learn how to express ourselves in the best way possible. The basic foundation of life is given by our dearest teachers, so therefore, a big thank you to you all from all the students that you have taught. We all are grateful for every lesson taught by you all. We are what we are right now is because of you. One teacher can change the fate of a child. Even I didn't like a lot of subjects for a very long time, but teachers made it easy and I studied them with all my heart. A lot of teachers that we're surrounded by are very hardworking and eager to enhance our students with various life skills which set them apart from all the people. A teacher's job is taken for granted a lot of times, but only a teacher knows the kind of effort they take to teach a chapter, to communicate a strong point to the students, or let alone the amount of effort they take to check on us about our progress during the whole year. We're blessed to be in a society where teachers are still involved in the whole development of a child, not just teaching their lessons. We're grateful for every teacher present here today. Thank you for being the kindest, most patient, and best gardeners to wildflowers like us. At last, I just want to say, a good teacher can change a generation. Thank you.